Welcome to the 5K 50 Project Euro Edition. Behind me, St. Eustatius Church, the often overlooked cathedral here in Paris. So here we go on our Europe trip.
The sun will show the way. I know the road to take. Throw all our cares away. I don't need to knock on wood. The time is on.
Out on our first urban walk, headed over towards Notre Dame Cathedral. Just about to pass the Saint Chapelle Chapel. One of my favorites, but we're not going there this time. I'm gonna go check out how the Notre Dame Cathedral is looking after the big fire. Kind of a crazy travel day. The flight was great, direct flight, you always gotta love that. However, we spent about an hour and 10 minutes in the passport line. That was less fun. And then we finally got our car rented and drove to our little Airbnb. Took a quick little break, got on the RER train, headed straight downtown. Now we're just out in the hustle and bustle. So here's the entrance of Saint Chapelle. Again, one of my favorites. Been there several times though, so we're gonna pass that one by this time. On the way to Notre Dame and hopefully find a crepe or something to eat.
Feel it. It's all feeling good. I gotta feel it. It's all feeling good.
Continuing our walk, we just had some crepes and a panini in the Latin Quarter. Walked back around past the backside of the Notre Dame Cathedral, and now we're headed over to the Isle of St. Louis, however you say that. But lovely evening for a walk. We're about 4 miles into our day one walk, so doing pretty good on the mileage counter. Gelato number 1 from the lovely Amarino store behind us. Usually very good, reliable chain gelato, but very nice for a first night.